Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Clearscore application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and then type in Clearscore and start your search. Once you find the Clearscore application, tap on it, and then if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to download and install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on the update button, and this will begin the download and installation of the latest updates for the Clearscore application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application, and now your application will be running on the latest updates without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update your Clearscore application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.